Hi guys, welcome to Akshraverse. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe because I share all things beauty, lifestyle, and more. Today, I'm super excited to share with everything I got to start my nails extension and nail art business. So if you have been thinking about getting into nails business, whether as a side hustle or a full-time career, then this video is for you. I will be breaking down all the must-have products, tools, and essentials you need to get started. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's start with the absolute basics things you can't do nails without. Doing nails, our first ever step is to prep the nail. Prepping nails, most primary thing we need is buffer. First of all is a banana buffer. This is by the brand called OPI and it is by 100 by 180. This is most used buffer ever. Second I have is a buffer by the brand called Hairline. This is also a straight buffer, but it is very similar to banana buffer. It is also 100 by 180, but it is a little bit soft. Third I have is a block buffer. You can see it can be used by all the four sides. Fourth, I have a three-way buffer. It is mostly used when you don't have to do extensions or overlays. You have to just work on your real nail. Second most important thing is cuticle pushers and cuticle cutters. So first of all, we will talk about the cuticle pusher. It is a metal cuticle pusher. You must have to buy this if you want a neat look in your nail extensions. Cuticle pusher, we have a cuticle cutters. Now here is the thing, we have two types of cuticle cutters. First of all, this one is for beginners who have not practiced yet, so you can use this cuticle cutter. It is very easy to use. Second one is cuticle cutter scissor. This is mostly for professionals. Third most important thing is a good nail cutter. You have to invest in a good nail cutter. I have the nail cutter by the brand called Gub. Now fourth most important thing is nail duster. Whenever you buff your client's nail, there will be dust all over the hand, so you don't want to leave your client messy, so you have to clean it every time with this huge nail duster. Moving on to the second step, very important product, that is UV or LED lamp to cure gel polish. I have a very simple lamp. It has the settings of 10 seconds, 30 seconds and 60 seconds, and also the double power or low heat mode. Next one is our nail tape. There are many types of nail tapes, but I will tell you the most used nail tape. These are the tips for the nail extensions, or these are also called the half moon nail tips. Second one I have is the temporary nail tips, also called the full moon tips. Transparent tips are for the clients who want a very minimal look or who want a very Pinteresty look. Next we have is nail adhesives or nail glues. So I have two types of glues. First one is very normal brush glue. These are for the clients who want their nails for not so long. Second one I have the professional 401 glue. This is by the brand called Miss Care, and mind you, this is the very strong glue. Now let's come to the second part, that is products for the nail art. The first most important product you need is the gel polish. I have the gel polish of the brand called QI Best. This have 60 colors. These are all the colors you will ever need. These have shimmer colors, black, white, pastel colors, dark colors, all the colors you will ever need for your nail art. So with this brand kit you can add on some of the another products differently, that I will recommend you can use branded. First of all we have is dehydrator and primer. This is very crucial step for prepping your nails, of the brand called Chameleon. I have invested in branded shiny and matte top coat, so it gives a very premium look to my nails. This is by the brand called Shields. I have is the base. This is of the brand called Chameleon base coat, also a very crucial step to prepare your nails for a nail extension. Next I have is Shields Milky Gel Polish. This is for the clients who want French art, who want a very neutral or nude shade on their nails. Now coming on the products you will need to do your nail extensions. First of all is the acrylic powder. I have two. First one is white and second one is pink, and these two are the only colors you will ever need trust with the acrylic powder you will definitely need a monomer. So this is by the brand called Urban Mac, and it is a quick dry monomer. And now the next one is the builder gel for the gel extension. So I have of the brand called Shield. This is the builder gel in the color nude beige. Next very important product is our tip cutter, a good tip cutter, because you will not invest in a good tip cutter, the tips will be bent and all your nail art, all your nail extensions will be spoiled. Next we have is a nail remover. I will suggest you to buy in a professional bottles of nail remover because you will need it in every step of nail extensions. I have a box of the cotton pads. It contains about like 1,000 cotton pads. I will suggest you to invest in this kind of dispenser, remover dispenser. If you push like this, it will dispense the nail remover product. Let's talk about the brushes. First of all, I have the nail art brushes kit. So basically in this you have a single pen, so whichever brush you need, you just take it and attach to it and start working. Next I have these three brushes for my acrylic powder application or the builder gel application. These are according to the numbers. Next I have is dotting tool set. These are the 5 dotting tools. Next I have is a sponge packet. It will hardly come of 50 or 50-60 rupees और इसमें बहुत सारे sponges हैं. This is used for ombre application or for glitter application. These are the set of the brushes for the chrome application. Although आप हाथ से भी कर सकते हो chrome application, but इससे ज़्यादा neat और clean भी होगी. Now last but not the least, I have this silicone brushes for the 3D art application. Next I have is a cuticle oil. So after you do all the thing, you have to apply the cuticle oil on your client's finger. Now coming to the nail art product, very different color of chrome comes in a 12 color pack. These are the colors you will ever need. Next I have is spider gel. So spider gel आप 2-3 different colors में ले सकते हो, जैसे कि white, black और golden. Next I have is metallic nail paints used to give your nails some premium look. Next one I have is Shield's carving gel. Next one I have is the sugar dust powder. Next I have this small bottles of the decorations. It have different decorations like hearts, stars, petals, shimmers. और ये आप easily आप मीशो से भी ले सकते हो, बहुत ही कम में या बहुत सारे आपको मिल जाते हैं. Next I have this box of my accessories. सो इसमें ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. इसमें है ज्वेलरी, मतलब लाइक जूल्स, स्टोन, ऑयल पेपर्स, शिमर्स, bows, teddy bears. So I have is a mixing palette. One I have these kinds of practice or display. Is this armrest. अगर आपके पास एक अच्छी हाइट का डेस्क है जिसपे आप अपने क्लाइंट के नेल्स कर सकते हो, सो यू कैन अवॉइड इट टू. अदरवाइज आप ये ले सकते हो. Last but not the least, hygiene is the most important. So you have to wear gloves and a mask while doing nail art or nail extension. Now here is the thing, just having products is not gonna work. You should have your game plan. So here are the things that can work to start to grow your business. First of all is practice. Practice as much as you can. Do on your friends, do on your family, do on yourself, or practice on the fake nails. One is set your prices wisely. Like don't undercharge. Look around your surroundings कि आसपास के prices कैसे हैं and set your prices very wisely. Third is create your Instagram page, showcase your work wherever you can. इससे आपके क्लाइंट को भी सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगी कि yes, they are professional, they are genuine, they are real, they know their work. Fourth one is invest in good lighting. So I have 2 ring lights, so always invest in good lighting. It will help you also analyze the minimal details. It also helps in capture good quality content. I hope this video was helpful for those who want to start their own nail business, and let me know in the comments what one product you think is most important for the nail tech. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Akshara World for more beauty and business content. See you in the next one. Bye.